Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to unfollow everyone on TikTok. So on the TikTok app, if I go to my profile right here, as you can see, I can see the number of persons that I'm following, and right here I can see all the accounts that I'm following right now. So in order to unfollow everyone, at the top right corner we have this icon with the three lines. If I'm going to tap on that and go to settings and privacy, if I'm going to scroll all the way down, I can see that there is an option which says report a problem. So right here I'm going to select that option right here, and then select account and profile, and then editing profile. So right here I'm going to select the very last option, which is other, and right here where it says is your problem resolved, I'm going to hit no and then need more help. So right here I can send a feedback to the TikTok team. So right here you can type in something like please help me to unfollow everyone on my TikTok account, and then after you type in your request you can hit the submit button, and hopefully the TikTok support team can help you with this issue. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.